Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful or you enjoy it, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So there is a link in the description for today's product, which will take you to Amazon, where you can check out the current price point, see if it's on sale, and all that fun information. But what is it? So, today I want to share with you a very cool custom lightsaber. This is the box it's going to come in once you order it. And then once you open it up, you are going to get the lightsaber itself. As you can see, it is quite large, and this is going to be perfect for a Halloween accessory if you are going as a Star Wars character, or it makes also an awesome gift. So let's go over all the features, because this thing is loaded with lots of features. First off, you're also going to get a user guide, which is going to kind of explain all the various settings. You are going to get a USB Type-C charging cable to charge it up. You will charge it up right there. And then the light will glow red when it is charging, and it'll announce when it is fully charged. Also, this is going to come, the plastic part of the lightsaber will be separated from the handle. They will include some screws that you will tighten in here to make sure this is nice and secure, and they are going to include a little Allen wrench for that. One other thing I should note, that if you buy two of these, you can connect them so that way you have lightsabers on either side. How that works is you're just going to basically unscrew the bottom piece here, and then they include an adapter where you will put this on and then attach the other lightsaber to that. Now, I do want to show you real quick before we go over all the features here. You can unscrew this, and you will see in here is where the battery is. So it has a rechargeable battery right there, which this is going to give you about 3 hours of use when it's on, depending on all the various features in the settings that you have and that you're using it with. But yeah, so everything is made out of metal, so it feels really high-end and nice. So let's go over all the different settings and features. So how you're going to turn it on, you're just going to press the power button, and it will turn on. Now press it again, and it will light up. When it is lit up, you will see that you can change these colors. And how you do that is you're going to simply press the power button 2 times. And it will cycle through the 15 different color options. Now, also, you may be able to pick this up, I'm not sure. But as it moves, it makes the lightsaber sound, and then when it has impact, it makes that crashing sound. Now, you can also, if you hold down the power button for 1 second, it makes like a blasting sound to it. Now to turn it basically back into standby mode, just hold down the power button again, and it will turn off. Now when it is in this mode, you can change the 12 different voice types that it has, which most of them are based on Star Wars type stuff, but there are some other ones in there, like for example, there's a Sailor Moon one. So how you do that, once again, you're going to press it 2 times.
My Skywalker. I am a Jedi, like my father before me. I am Bastila Shan. I am Sailor Moon. Luke Skywalker. Eternal. I'll show you the dark. I am no Jedi. Darth Maul. The keepers of the peace, not soldiers. My Skywalker.
So there's just a sampling of all the different sounds, and when you do that, then you will have some different interaction sounds with it also. You can adjust that volume that you heard, and you're going to do that by pressing the button 3 times, and there is a silent mode, a low, a medium, and a high button when it comes to the audio part and basically the effects of it. But yeah, so overall, this is a really cool lightsaber. Like I said, it makes a great accessory to that Halloween costume that's going to be coming up here, or just a great overall gift if you have a person in your family that loves Star Wars themed items. But that is basically the ins and outs of this guy. If there was something I didn't cover, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.